Usually when doctors operate to remove cancer, they also remove nearby lymph nodes. This has been a standard practice for years. Now it is meant to stop cancer from spreading. But what if I told you that those lymph nodes are doing much more than we thought? And the question arises, are these cancer surgeries taking away our body's secret weapon against cancerous tumors? It is a bold question, and a new research may have something very important to tell us. A research group at the Doherty Institute just uncovered how important lymph nodes are in fighting off cancer. Their studies published in Nature Immunology show that these small organs don't just filter germs and cancer cells. Lymph nodes actually help special immune cells called T cells grow, multiply, and learn how to hunt down cancer. In fact, the lymph nodes are like training camps. They help make killer T cells that can attack both viruses and cancerous tumors. The scientists, what they found is that these lymph nodes give stem-like T cells everything they need to stay alive and strong. These cells then generate the powerful killer T cells that help the body target cancer. Other parts of the immune system, like the spleen, just can't do this job as well. So why does this matter for surgery? Well, when surgeons remove lymph nodes to fight cancer, they might also reduce the immune system's ability to make these critical cancer-killing cells. Professor Axel Callis, one of the senior authors, said, and I'm quoting him, "Lymph nodes aren't just passive waiting rooms for immune cells. They actively train and educate T cells and send them off to do their job." This means that by removing lymph nodes, doctors may lower the chance for immune-based treatments like immunotherapy or CAR T-cell therapy to work as well as they could. These therapies often rely on a strong supply of well-trained killer T-cells, which, as it turns out, come from lymph nodes. The research also helps explain why some cancer patients respond better to treatment than others. If a person's lymph nodes are healthy and can make lots of these T cells, their immune response is much stronger. But if the lymph nodes are gone, that whole protective system could be weakened. Dr. Carlson Sui, the lead author of one study, said that these findings could help design better treatments, not just to kill tumors, but also to protect lymph node function. Imagine being able to boost the body's own cancer-fighting army just by preserving these small but mighty organs during the surgery. Now, going forward, experts believe that these therapies should do more than just target tumors. They should also preserve and maybe even enhance lymph nodes to give patients the best shot at beating cancer. Of course, this research is still mostly from animal studies, but the next step is to see if these ideas hold true for people as well. But doctors and scientists are eager to learn more and rethink old habits in the operation theatre. So the bottom line is that preserving the body's own hidden army may just turn out to be a secret weapon in the fight against cancer.